Last and the final question of the exercise. I am given two sets of data. So x kuduthirukku, y kuduthirukku. I am also given the summation directly. So I have sigma xi is 212 and sigma xi square is 902. Same for yi. Ipo I do not have any frequency here. So I can directly use the formula which does not have a frequency, and the number of terms is given to be 50. So I have x bar is sigma xi divided by n and sigma square is this. So I need to find my mean and the standard deviation to compare which has more greater variability. So C we use pannom. So first let me find out the mean. So I have x bar is sigma xi which is 212 divided by the number of terms which is 50. So 5 table la panna I have 5 10s are 5 4s are 20, 1 carry over, 5 2s are 10, 2 irukku, 5 4s are 20. So I'll have 42.4 divided by 10 which is 4.24. So this is my mean of x. What is my mean of y? I have sigma yi which is 261 divided by 50. So again 5 table la panna 10, 5 5s are 25, 1 5 2s are 10, 1 5 2s are 10. So I'll have 52.2 divided by 10. Shifting one decimal place to the left, I'll have 5.22. So I found out what my mean is for both the cases. Now variance கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். I'll directly find the standard deviation. So sigma of x will be the square root of this. This will be 1 by 50 square root of n times 50 times sigma xi square, which will be 902.8 minus sigma xi the whole square, which will be 212 the whole square. Okay, so this is a calculation. Another calculation is sigma y. So sigma y is 1 divided by 50 square root of 50 times sigma yi square and 1457.6 minus 261 the whole square. Okay, இப்போ ஒண்ணா பண்ணலாமா? What is 50 times this? So I have 9028 times 5. 5 8s are 40, 4 5 2s are 10, 14, 1 1, 5 9s are 45. I have a 0. I have a decimal point. So it will be 45140. So this is 1 divided by 50 square root of 45140 minus 212. 212 into 212, which is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 2 again 4 2 4. So this will be 4 4 8 9 4 4. This will be 4 4 9 4 4. What happens when I subtract these two values? 4 4 9 4 4 minus this. So this will be, I'm borrowing 6 0 1. 13 minus 4 is 9. I'm again borrowing 10 minus 9 is 1. So this will be square root of 196 divided by 50. Okay, இப்போ நம்ம இத பண்ணுவோம். So we have 14576 into 5, 6 5s are 30, 3 7 5s are 35, 36 37 38, 3 5 5s are 25, 26 27 28, 2 5 4s are 20 22, 5 1s are 5 6 7. I also have a 0, so I have 1 divided by 50 square root of 72880. இங்க ஒரு decimal point இருக்கு. Minus 261 into 261. 261 into 261. 261. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15. 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 2s are 4, 5. So 1 12 1, 6 plus 4 10, 11 1, 5 6 8 6. So 6 8 1 2 1. So this minus 68121 will be, borrow panna 9 5 7 4 4759. So it will be square root of 4759 divided by 50. So square root of 196 will be, let's find out, 196.00. So 6 6 are 36. So 1159. 6 2s are 12. 12 ku I'll do 12 7. 7 7s are 49. 4 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17 18. 1 7 1s are 7 8. Let me do 9. 9 9s are 81. 8 9 2s are 18, 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. 2 9 2s are 9 1s are 9, 10 11. So 8 times தான் வரும். 8 8 8s are 64, 6 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, 2 8 1s are 8 9 10. So 5 3 1 0 0. This will be 136. 136 ku I can do 9 times. 9 9s are 81, 8, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 8 62, 6, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 6 is 33, 3 9s are 9, 10 11 12. So 68.9. 68.9 divided by 50. 14 divided by 50, which is 0.28. And what is 68.9 divided by 50? So this is 1.37. So I found out my standard deviation and the mean value. So I need to find my coefficient of variance, which is CVX is sigma x divided by x bar times 100, which is, what is my sigma x? It is 0.28 divided by x bar, which is 4.24 times 100. Into 100 panna, I'll have 28 divided by 4.24. Again, into 100 panna, 2800 divided by 424. So this is CVX. And what is my CVY? Sigma y, which is 1.37 divided by, what is my y bar? 5.22. So this will be into 100 panna, sorry, into 100. I have a into 100, which is 137 divided by 5.22. Again, into 100 panna, I'll have 13700 divided by 522. So what are my values? 6.603, and this will be 26.24. I'm using the calculator to find the final values. I do not have place in the board. So what do you see? CVX is less than CVY. CVX is less than CVY, which means Y has greater variability. Y has greater variability. Okay. So this is more varying. With this, we are done with statistics. Let me know if you want me to solve more questions on statistics. But let me know. If you want me to solve the miscellaneous exercise, do let me know in the comment section below. All the best for your exams. Be very, very careful when you are calculating the values. Learn how to find the square root of numbers. Learn how to interpret the data that is given. Okay? Be very careful. All the best.